Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about one of the interesting topic that name is ABO blood groups, or that is also called ABO blood system. Have you ever think about your blood type? I might be possible. We all know about there are four major type of blood group. What are the four major type of blood group? That are A blood group, AB blood group, B blood group, and O blood group. This is also known as ABO blood system or ABO blood group. Have you heard about the discovery of this ABO blood group? Now I am going to tell you about the brief history about this ABO blood system. At the beginning of 20th century, an Austrian scientist known as Karllandsteiner discovered the first blood group system, that is known as ABO blood system, and he also got a Nobel Prize for its discovery. There are at least 24 type of blood groups. And have you ever think about that what is the region and what is the features? According to that, the blood group is divided into A, B, O, and other type of that. So it is because of the antigen that is present on our RBC. RBC means red blood corpuscles. According to the presence and absence of antigen on our RBC, the blood group is divided into a different category like A, B, O, and different other types. The ABO blood group is based on presence of our ABC antigen. Like suppose you are having the A blood group, and the A blood group express A antigen on its RBC and B antibody in their serum. Same like if you are having the B blood group, then your RBC express B antigen and your serum contain the A antibody. Okay, if you are having the blood group O, then you do not have any kind of A or B antigen on your RBC surface, but you are having the antibody A and B in your serum. Likewise, there is a AB blood group. The AB blood group having the antigen of both A and B, but don't have any kind of antibody in its serum. Actually, our immune system forms antibody against whichever ABO blood group antigen not found on the individual's RBC. It means if a person having a A blood group, then it will have anti-B antibody in its serum. If a person group B, then it will have a anti-A antibody in its serum. If a person having a blood group O, then it is common. The person having this blood group will have both anti-A and anti-B antibody in their serum. If the person group having the blood group AB, then it is a least common, and the person having this blood group will have neither antibody A nor antibody B in their serum. Okay, so we have heard about how the different kind of person having a different blood groups on the basis of the antigens which are present on the surface of their RBC, and also they are having the different antibody in their serum against the antigen which is on their surface of RBC. You also heard about the blood transfusion. You know that today's many of us believing in donating the bloods to the recipients, and this is welfare for the society, and we are all willing to help the others to donate our blood to the needy peoples. But have you ever think that before donating the blood there are different way to know that what are the necessary precautions should be taken before the blood transfusion. Blood transfusion means that is a transferring of blood from donor to recipients. Okay, the transfusion, any blood cannot be used. In transfusion, any blood cannot be used. The blood of donor must be matched with the recipient blood group, and it is very important. Suppose you are having the A plus blood group and you are wanting to donate the blood to the B positive or any other blood group, then it is wrong and it will be a fatal for the recipient. We are likely to get that blood after transfusion. So if recipient blood group differ from donor blood group, then it cause adverse transfusion reaction. It means if a donor having a blood group and recipient having a different apart from the A blood group, then after transfusion it will cause a severe hemolysis after the agglutination reaction, and it can result to the death of the patient or the donor. Okay, I will tell you one of the example, and we all should know about this because in our life several times we donate our blood to the different peoples, and also in some accidental condition, in some harsh condition, we also also willing to get that blood from the another person. So for example, if your blood group is A, if your blood group is A, and you are transferred to the recipient which are having the blood group B. In that case, what happen? The serum of the blood group A contain the B antibody. We already discussed about it, because if you are having the blood group A, then your RBC having A antigen, but your serum having a different antibody, that is the antibody B. So if you are blood group A and you are trying to donate it to a blood group B patient, then what happen? Your blood group having the B antibody in their serum. So when you donate it into the B blood group patient, then it will easily react with the B antigen present on the B blood group's RBC, and then serum antibody bind to their corresponding antigen on RBC and trigger hemolytic transfusion reaction that lead to a death of patient. So we all should aware about it, that in case if we are trying to donate our blood to a different people, then it is very important for us to know about the blood group of that patient. Otherwise it will cause some a dangerous thing. It will cause the death of that patient, which is very very hard for us. Okay, and also we might heard that there is a universal donor and universal recipient. I hope you all heard about it. Like O blood group. O blood group individuals are called universal donor. Why are they called universal donors? Because O blood group can be donated to the person with any blood group. Means a O blood group can be donated to any kind of person. Because why? O blood group doesn't have any kind of antigens. That's why it cannot react with the serum of serum of the it cannot react with the antibody of serum of the patient. Okay, so that's why O blood group is called the universal donor. Person having the AB blood group accept any kind of blood of AB blood groups as well as the other blood groups. Therefore, such person are called the universal recipients. Why? Because the AB blood group having a antigens of both A and B, but doesn't have any kind of antibody in their serum. That's why it not react with the antigen of any kind of blood group which is taking from the others donor. So we learn about what is the blood group, what is its history, what are the different type of blood group, what are the different way to categorize it, and also we have learned about that why it is important to match the blood group between the donor and recipient before the transfusion. And also we have learned about that about what is called the universal donor and what is called the universal recipient. Thank you.